On any page of the website, click Reorder on the upper right. If you're not already logged into your account, input your email in the text box and click Continue. We will then email you a PIN code to use for login. Enter the PIN number from your email in the text box and then click Continue to be taken to your account. You will see all of your previous orders on the My Account page. Find the item you would like to reorder. To reorder with no changes to the previous design, click the button that says Reorder No Changes. This will add the item to the cart. It won't show your digital proof here, but the item will have the same notes and options as your previous order. You can adjust your quantity for the item directly in the cart. If you don't see the quantity you want under the price breaks, click Need Custom Quantity to type in your desired amount. Be sure to click Update Quantity so that the cart updates with the correct pricing. After checkout, your order will go straight to production with no changes. If you would like to make changes from your previous order, such as changing the contact information or an element of the design, click the Reorder with Changes button. We will need to send you a new proof of the design for confirmation. Click Continue to proceed. You will be taken to the product page of that item you are reordering. You can now adjust the notes, upload new files, and choose different options for your product. Click Update Cart to add this new item to your cart. If you forgot to adjust one of the options for your item, you can click on the Edit Options button to go back to the product page. But if you just need to change the notes for the item, you can click the Review Notes button to type in your notes. And if you need to update the quantity, you can do that right in the cart as well. Once that item is all done, you can continue shopping our full selection of products or add additional reorder items. When you're ready, return to your cart to check out. We'll start working on the digital proofs for your approval after you place your order.